My punks and my skins, I will remind you that the word police, in addition to being a much despised noun, is also a verb, an action. To police something is to patrol it, to control it, yes, but it can also mean to protect something, to keep an eye on it, to watch over it, even to have its back. In that sense, even if you feel compelled to reject conventional law enforcement altogether, you can still exercise your own personal, private prerogative to police yourselves in all that you do. Hence, when it comes to resisting, to protesting, to rebelling, indeed, even to rioting and looting, when it comes to showing some reserve or seizing the initiative, in whatever it is that you choose to do, if you accept the awareness and the responsibility of policing each other and yourselves, you might just win this thing.